Cloves. A lot of people keep on asking how to use cloves to make clove water, and I am here to show you the step-by-step process of making clove juice or clove water, as some may call it. In this video, you're going to learn a lot about cloves and how to make clove juice or clove water. So sit back, relax, click on that subscribe button, click on that bell icon to get notified anytime I upload a new video on my channel. A lot of people ask what cloves are. Cloves are aromatic flower bulbs that are used to add flavor and aroma to food, dishes, and even juice. Remember your zobo juice, your rosalind juice, cloves are used in making that juice to add aroma. Benefits of cloves. You have tons of benefits when you use cloves, especially for hair growth, curbing of hair loss, and it also helps with dandruff. The list goes on and on what benefits you get from using cloves on your hair. How to use cloves. There are various ways on how you can use cloves on your natural hair, but the first method, which is using cloves to make clove oil, I'll put the link of the video in my description box because I have already gone through that, and I'll be focusing more on how to make clove water. So the first step is to put water to boil. A lot of people make mistake by pouring their cloves in this hot water. Please do not do that. Just boil the water. So once your water finally boils, you transfer it to a cup or a bowl, anyone that you have that's convenient for you. What you don't want to do at this point is to add your cloves to hot water. You are not supposed to add that to hot water. Do not add your cloves or any other herbs in hot water. First of all, wait for the water to cool down. Use your fingers by testing. Once you can put your finger in and it doesn't hurt you, then you can add your cloves. Here I am using 1 tablespoon of clove in 250 ml of water. So allow it to sit for 8 to 12 hours at least, so that your cloves can release all its beautiful nutrients in your water. At this point, you should not apply heat on it. You should not refrigerate it at this stage because it's going to slow down the whole process of diffusion, and you shouldn't soak it for more than 3 days, especially when you cover it. You don't want it to ferment. I soaked mine for 9 hours, and after 9 hours, this is how it is. Definitely going to change color because your cloves has already diffused in your water. So you just get yourself a bottle, an applicator bottle. For me, I prefer this type of bottle because it will go straight to your scalp. You apply it directly to your scalp, but you can still choose to use a spray bottle. And now I will use the sieve and a funnel to transfer it into my bottle. Another question I normally get is, how many times can you use your cloves? My advice is use your clove twice for this process and dispose it once you're done 2 times. Don't you keep on using it because you have already literally used up its nutrient, and now you have your beautiful clove juice. Another question I frequently get is how to use clove juice once you are done making your clove juice, and it's easy. Adding it to your DIY hair mask or your DIY deep conditioner, because rather than using water, you will get more value and more nutrients by using clove juice as your base. The second method of using clove juice is just as a scalp and hair rinse. That is why I chose the applicator bottle, so that it's easy for me to assess my scalp and also apply on my hair. You should do this once you are done washing your hair. Some people ask if they can use clove juice on their hair every day, and in my opinion, I'd say no, because I am not in for using herbs every single day on your hair. Herbs are medicinal, they're like medicines. You don't want to be using that on your hair every day. You want it to still maintain that potency anytime you use it. But if you choose to use it every day on your hair and it works for you, then that is fine. Thank you so much for watching this video and every of my other videos. Subscribe, like, and comment. I will see you in my next video. Bye.